从头来是吗？从头吗？暖场影片你会播几次？一次，好。
Taiwan excellence empowers innovation in everyone's life. We keep moving forward to a wonderful tomorrow, dreaming amazing dreams and living fuller lives. Everywhere, every moment, every day. Taiwan excellence, everyday excellence.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, online viewers from around the world, welcome to join us at the online product launch of Taiwan Excellence, Smart Medical Express, Eyes on the Future. My name is Angela Liu, your MC for today's event. Today's event is jointly organized by TAITRA, Taiwan's foremost trade promotion organization, and Taiwan's Bureau of Foreign Trade. In today's program, we will be presenting to you some of the best ophthalmic medical and eye care products from 4 companies who are the winners of Taiwan Excellence Awards. Join us as these presenters share with us their secrets in R&D and observations in the future trends of the industry. To begin with, we have a recorded message from President and CEO of TAITRA, Mr. Walter Ye, to give us the welcome remarks. Let's now welcome Mr. Ye.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and good afternoon to our dear friends, colleagues, and partners from around the world. I would like to thank you all for gathering online today to participate in this Eyes on the Future conference. The Taiwan model is successfully fighting the current COVID-19 pandemic, and we firmly believe that Taiwan is capable of providing superior quality medical services to the world. The global ophthalmic medical equipment market is estimated to reach $58 billion by 2023. Revenue from Taiwan's ophthalmic medical equipment has grown steadily in recent years. Auxiliary and remedial categories, which constitute the contact lens industry, have experienced the most outstanding performance. Exports reached 12.6 billion NT dollars, accounting for 1.53% of global sales. Taiwan is highly proficient in ICT technology. This is significant advantage in the diagnostics and monitoring categories because it combines optical, electronic, electrical, and big data calculations. Taiwan's ophthalmology industry, which accounts for 0.3% of global sales, has great potential. As a trusted world partner, Taiwan Excellence upholds the spirits of innovation by selecting products that best represent the image of Taiwan's industries. Taiwan Excellence awarded products include Crystalvue's non-reactive auto-funders camera, which utilizes automatic 3D tracking, reduces human diagnostic errors, and is sold to more than 40 countries around the world. The digital portable tonometer by Medimaging uses air-jet pressure detection and avoids contact with disease and infection. BenQ's silicone hydrogel technology provides contact lens wearers with all-day comfort. The compressed eye machine, developed by Trusty, is the first machine in the world to use water circulation and water wave massage to reduce intraocular pressure without a risk of harm. Taiwan-ASEAN's award-winning products showcase the best of Taiwan's industry and provide smart solutions for our daily lives. Before I finish, I would like to express my sincere wish that you all stay safe and healthy, and I would like to thank everyone for joining us today. We hope you enjoy the conference. Thank you.
Thank you very much to Mr. Ye. Moving on to the presentation. During this session, you're welcome to submit your comments or questions by scanning the QR code shown at the bottom of the screen. We will be collecting questions and then invite our speakers to answer them at the Q&A session in the end. The first presentation today is going to be given by Crystalvue Medical Corporation. They are the pioneer of fundus camera R&D in Taiwan. Let's now take a look at their video first.
This is Dr. William Wang, CEO of Crystalvue Medical Corporation. Our company was founded in 2009. Our strength is to design and manufacture medical instruments for eye disease diagnosis. Our products cover fundus camera, tonometer, OCT, edger, and many other instruments. We want to bring good quality product to the world to benefit all the people in the world. NFC 600 is a fully automated fundus camera with portability. The retina image for both eyes can be captured by a single touch. I touch, we start. The PC here is optional, not part of the package of the fundus camera. The major differences of NFC 700 and 600 are the 600 is less weighted, only 12 kilo. Then the camera head can be detached from the main body for easier portability. This is fully automated fundus camera. Model name is NFC 700. What we need to do is just press a star. This can capture the image for both eyes to show the retina image. Now please start. Just a single touch. Everything is done automatically. First retina image is captured. Now the camera moved to second eye. Both eyes were tested and retina image were captured. We do OEM, ODM, and own brand business to serve our customer worldwide. Our products have unique features. Just by single touch, the customer gets all the medical information they need. We like to do more detailed demonstration for you later.
And now please welcome Dr. William Wang, co-founder and president of Crystalvue.
This is Dr. William Wang, CEO of Crystalvue Medical Corporation. I'd like to introduce our company and our products. Our company is located in Taoyuan, which is northern part of Taiwan, 20 minutes away from the airport. Some of our major products covering fundus camera, OCT, and tonometers. We have all different models of the products. This shows the milestone of our company in the past 10 years. So now we sell our products to worldwide, more than 50 countries in the world. Today, I'd like to introduce a bit more about our fundus camera, NFC 600. That's with the portable fundus camera. So this chart shows you some of the products for this year, also for future. So we will have Azure, that's for optical shop. Also, we are developing the wide field fundus camera and also for biometers. The fundus camera, we have 3 models. We have the joystick one, and also we have the NFC 700 fully automated fundus camera. Just by single touch, you get retina image for both eyes. Then we promote this year a new product, NFC 600, portable fundus camera. Then this image can be captured just by single touch. More importantly, the optical head can be detached from the main body, then be carried around in the world. So this lists many features of the fundus camera. Most importantly, is a fully automated, auto-focusing, auto-tracking, 12 megapixel, very sharp image can be captured within 10 seconds. So this feature, we have 10 fixation points. We can choose up to any 3 points. Then we can integrate the image by montage to expand field of view up to 80 or even 85 degrees. So this can see a broader area of the retina. So also, our fundus camera offer variety of software features. So we can do RGB, red-free, cup disc ratio measurements. So it's very convenient to operate to get all the information for eye diagnostic diseases. Also, we are working with a number of companies in the world, in US, in Europe, in India, in China. We work with the AI company in local area. So our system, the fundus camera, is fully compatible with all those worldwide AI companies. So it's very easy to operate with those softwares. So we can share more information after this conference. And so this NFC 600 has many different features. The most importantly, the optical head can be detached from the main body, then loaded into a briefcase, can be carried around to the world. So this shows you the optical fundus camera. The optical head can be detached from the main body inside the box, then can be travel easily, carry around. And more importantly, the fundus camera can be self-operated like an ATM machine. You can just operate by yourself, then to capture the image very quickly, very sharply. So this shows you the briefcase. The camera can be loaded into the briefcase, then carry around very easily, very convenient. So this compare some of the worldwide auto fundus camera competitors' products. So our product, we offer not only the desktop, but also portable device. So we have a different variety to select for user-friendly use. So this lists the spec details of the products. So if you are interested in any of this product, we'll be very willing to discuss in more detail to share more information. Besides the fundus camera, we have a tonometer, which is also designed, fully automated. You just by single touch, the eye pressure, IOP, can be measured very quickly for both eyes. Same as the product, like the fundus camera. by single touch, then the eye pressure information, IOP, can be obtained very conveniently. Lastly, our product is the Edger, is to be promoted in Q4 this year. This is Edger to shape the lens, so it's also fully automated just by single press. Then on the screen, then the lens can be shaped to fit all different frames for the glass shop. So it's very convenient to use. So I want to thank you to take your time to learn more about our products. Thank you for your attention. Thank you.
And thank you very much to Dr. William Wang for your introduction. Next up, we have the presentation from Medimaging Integrated Solution Incorporated to introduce their digital portable tonometer for us. And let's take a look at their video first.
MIIS is a medical imaging innovation solution provider. MIIS creates a user-friendly platform and the horoscope devices for all patients and doctors. We are committed to designing high-performance devices, developing diverse assistive accessories for mobile medical applications, and also integrating hardware with software to perform remote care. High performance. Horoscope Series 3 has 5 megapixel resolution with a multi-touch screen. Lightweight handheld size. Supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth transmission. Live stream to HDMI sources from Horus device. Smart USB port lock provides a secure solution. With a magnetic charging cable, it's easy to use and super flexible. Horus 3 is designed for telemedicine, which develops the core concept of device-to-device communication. Each application has its own scope. Receiving the patient's overall record immediately provides more accurate and comprehensive diagnoses and treatment. We have another ophthalmology solution. The digital handheld non-midriatic camera set satisfies diverse users. More than ever before, it can provide a quality check after screening with high accuracy, supported by the video display on the device. Horus 3 with the digital image box supports edge computing for instant screening and marking of symptoms. Mobile medical. Horoscope has various types of assistive accessories. The portable luggage is designed for telemedicine and assembles products to one portable bag. We are determined to create a better and more convenient solution for the physician, getting rid of limitations and making telemedicine simpler and easier. Remote care. MIIS provides a total telemedicine solution. The horoscope integrates hardware and software to perform remote consultation, examination, and diagnostic services. Horus provides doctors the best diagnosis and treatment equipment. It is flipping medical space and time. Horoscope seizes the light, sees the future.
And now please welcome Mr. Johnson Chang, Sales Manager from Medimaging.
Hello, I'm Johnson Chen. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. And friends from all over the world. Today I'm going to give you a presentation for Eyes on the Future. My topic, medical imaging solutions. For our company, we have full name is Medimaging Integrated Solutions. But most of friends, they call us MIIS, means. And we are a 10 years company which is located in the Hsinchu Scientist Park in Taiwan. And in the past 10 years, we always focusing on our core technology, which is optical imaging systems and digital imaging processing. And of course, we are a manufacturer, but we also have our R&D center. Besides this, we develop our own brand product called Horoscope. And we also doing the OEM, ODM business. And also we have a regulation team which support us or our customer to get the medical certifications in their country or in my country. So that the TFDA and CE-FDA, that's mostly certifications we will have for our full production lines. And for the others, like Japanese, Korean, or Middle Asia, those countries, we are regulation team. We are also helping our customer to get the regulations. And this, we are very honored. We have 4 years in a row for the Taiwan-ASEAN Award for different products, and 2 years in a row for our for the Taipei Biotech Awards is for our digital fundus camera. Let's come back to my topic. Is that in the past, physician and the patient they have to be in the same place and do the diagnosis with the fixed devices. But with the high technology, we find out there is something in between physician and the patient. So with our handheld devices, we find out digital imaging and live streaming can helping physician and the patient without the limitation for in the same place. So that's what our company main design concept is: build up handheld devices. So in our production line here, you can see all our devices is handheld products. And the most important of design concept is we have one control unit and attached with different lens, which can give you different medical images. So in that case, we have now come to the third platform of our devices. DSC 100 is the 10 years ago we developed for the device. Now come to the DSC 300P and the DSC 300. And in today, those are the images we have from our devices, and all of our device work with medical center hospital to do the clinical tests and IRB. And we believe the device we development is have a good quality image, make the clinical requirements. So today, because our topic is eye on the future, so I will most focusing on the product which relate to the ophthalmologist. And this is our digital portable tonometer. It's called DPT100. It's a air puff function embedded. So, and also we have auto tracker function. So let's make this device easy to use and incentive guidance for the techniques, the users. And of course, with AirPuff, we can make the patient more comfort and decreasing the infections, because you don't have to contact the eye of the patients. And this is our third platform. In the past 10 years, we have get a lot of experience for our devices. So in the third platform, we make a lot of new features and new reliabilities. And here, most important is we embedded the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth function. That's allow us to transfer the data without a cable. But also, if you want the live streaming, we upgrade to the HDMI Full HD live streaming for you. And besides the camera, we not only doing hardware, we're also doing the software. So that's what we come out is, we know that 20% of the world population has diabetic. So that's a big issue for the diabetic patients is diabetic retinopathy. So we create our architect AI solutions. But not only the software, also we build up AI computing, the hardware. This combo is support the edge computing solutions and make you don't need the internet to do the AI analyzing. That will helping a lot in the rural area side, because we know some of the countryside, the Wi-Fi or the internet is not very stable. And this is our 5 megapixel eye care total solutions. As you know, we fully focus on the handheld one, so it's lightweight and easy to carry. So that's for us is most important thing. Also, we can switch the different lenses from the eye service camera to a eye fundus camera, and total with 3 lenses and 1 control unit. Then you can have the total eye care diagnosis. As we say, we are a manufacturer for hardware, but also we have a team for the software. And this is a medical image management system, what we development. And we have 2 different versions for it. This is a cloud version, and another one is standalone. And the most features for this one, we can customize the report you needed. And also, we have DRAI link with those 2 different type of the management system. One is cloud, the other one is standalone. Here comes out the telemedicine total solutions. After 10 years experience for developing the hardware, we find out we are not only making hardware, software, we can present a total solution for our customer. So in the typical telemedicine, we always think that is like a medical center hospital, support the rural area side. But during the COVID-19 pandemic, we find out this solution also can be used in the isolation ward. So in the ward, you can place these telemedicine solutions. Then it will decrease in the efficiency because the techniques or nursing or physicians don't have to go inside the isolation ward that often. And this is the partners in the world that work with us for the telemedicine solutions. Those are the some examples for the international health screening. In the past, Taiwanese ophthalmology need to fly to Mongolia for eye screening for the local people. But after we install these telemedicine ophthalmology solutions, the doctors or the ophthalmologists in the Taiwan ophthalmologists only need to stay in Taiwan. And with the communication conference video call, they can give out the suggestion to the Mongolia. That are helping the local hospitals still doing the eye screening. And this is a typical telemedicine screening in Taiwan. It's in Taoyuan, which is a Chang'an hospital. It's a medical center grade hospital to support the rural area side. And you can see the techniques. Just have like a 30 minutes training. They can use our fundus camera. And by taking the fundus image, sending out the image to the center hospital, then the ophthalmologist can do the diagnosis through the internet, then go get some diagnosis for the patient in a rural area. And come out right now we find out the 5G telemedicine solutions, which we work with one of carrier in Taiwan. And this one is a project in the south of Taiwan. We support like 9 clinical in the rural area side, and 3 medical center hospital support those clinic. And of course, with our devices, we can provide the good quality images. Then the specialists in the central hospital, they can give out the instruction for the rural area sites. In the past 10 years, we sell our own product in over 60 countries. And we have a lot of techniques cooperations with US or German and Japan's customer. We believe if you are interested in our products, you can send email to us at sales@means.com.tw. And thank you for your listening today. And yeah, that's my presentation for today.
Thank you very much to Johnson for your introduction. As a kind reminder, please use the link at the bottom of the screen to submit your questions. We will have them answered all together at the Q&A session in the end. Moving on, we're going to invite BenQ Materials Corporation to share with us their silicone hydrogel contact lens. Let's see their video first.
Sensory experiences enrich our life. Through the color and light, we see a vivid world. Technology is evolving with our life. Any research and development are meant to fulfill people's demands and needs. The innovation brings new ways of living, and the material science is the one making our life more convenient and marvelous. Material science changes and improves the way of living. Since 1998, BenQ Materials has been continuously creating a meaningful life of comfort, safety, and convenience with unceasing innovation. Innovations in the application of material science will lead to a creative future, one full of changes for the better. BenQ Materials specializes in material science. With its professional team and automatic equipment, BenQ Materials has developed a wide variety of functional film products. The applications of functional films enrich our visual experiences. Recently, BenQ Materials has created its own biomedical brand to provide safe, healthy, and comfortable healthcare solutions. To fulfill corporate social responsibility, BenQ Materials pursues sustainable development through green design and green production. With the innovation of advanced battery materials, the electronic product safety can be enhanced and the environment will be well protected. What does the future look like? With the continuous innovations in technology and applications, BenQ Materials will continue to create a meaningful life in a future shared by all. Live with innovation. BenQ Materials.
And now, please welcome Ms. Pandora Yang, International Sales Manager from BenQ Materials.
Thank you, Angela. This is Pandora Yang from MiaCare Contact Lenses. MiaCare Contact Lenses MiaCare Contact Lens is under BenQ Materials, and BenQ Materials is a member in BenQ Group. BenQ Materials is a listed company in Taiwan, which we established in 1998, and Dr. Z.C. Chen is our CEO and chairman. We position ourselves an innovator of material technologies and applications, which we create polarized film, smart optical film, and touch panel materials, advanced battery materials. And for medical devices, we have contact lenses, medical and skincare products and performance textiles. And what bring BenQ Materials keep on going for more than 20 years? We got 6 core technologies here, and you must be wondering why BenQ Materials produce contact lenses. Because in contact lens process, we have coating, injection, lathing, polymer, and optical technologies using to produce contact lenses. Also, we have 135 patents in contact lenses, which we got nearly 1,000 patents in total. Next, let's discuss more about MiaCare. This is a logo for MiaCare, a hexagon. A hexagon is a shape of a healthy cornea cell in our eyes. Also the icon of chemical material element. This is the spirit combined with BenQ Materials and MiaCare. And what is the MiaCare meaning? Mia means me and I, and care, which equals I care about you. Therefore, MiaCare aim to bring you a healthy and safety wearing journey. And what built MiaCare? Our exclusive ultra-cell technology is our base, is our foundation. And we aim to bring you healthy contact lenses and to make you healthier vision. And our brand positioning is to become an expert of silicone hydrogel. And let's see how ultragel's technology works. To combine 2 materials, silicone and hydrogel, we need to have use solvent to combine 2 materials. Through ultracell technologies, we transform the molecules of silicone into hydrophilic surface to combine with hydrogel easily, with no solvent is needed. And through ultragel technology brings 3 big advantages. First one is advanced eye care, which take the advantage from silicone, create the world highest oxygen transmissibilities. The second one is ultra comfort. Is also the benefit of hydrogel. Create the lowest module and plus with double moisturizing agent to bring you comfortable wearing experience. The last one is superior safety with no solvent formula plus UV blocking formula to protect your eyes. Let's see some comparisons. To take the silicone ultragel technology to balance the disadvantage and advantage of silicone and hydrogel, we create the 6 times of oxygen transmissibility compared with hydrogel products, and the lowest modulus we compare with other brands. And most people worry about dryness when wearing contact lenses. Therefore, we put double moisturizing agent HA and SA to keep the moisturizing on the contact lens. Also, the Smart Edge design to bring tears and oxygens onto the surface of the eyes, and sufficient tear exchange to improve surface waterability, and contact lens will stay precisely that you will feel comfortable. Also, the ISO class 2 UV blocking to protect your eyes. And so much for the technologies introduction above. Next, we move on our products. We got clear lenses and color lenses. For clear lens, we have monthly and daily ones. Also, the world's highest oxygen transmissibility are going to launch by next year. Also, the most special one is the blue cut products that you will feel comfortable when using 3C devices. And full range of color lenses are the world's first one, sci-high products. And with our full range of products to satisfy the different type and different characteristic of ladies, of women, and different lifestyles. And to take convenience and safety into consideration, we launch short wearing period products like daily one and monthly one, and from entry level to premium level. This is the more technologies on our color contact lens. Beside the ultra-cell technologies, we have two more technologies on color contact lenses. The first one is ink blocking technologies that we put the ink inside the lenses, what we call the sandwich printing technologies, to keep the ink from contact to your eyes bowl. The second one is dark matrix color printing. The dark matrix designed to keep the oxygen flow freely. And for our color contact lenses, we consider health and beauty compared with hydrogel products. And here's all the designs and patterns for our contact lenses, from the small diameter and larger diameter, and different style like nature one or doll eyes, to satisfy different lifestyle and occasions. And let me emphasize one more time, MiaCare is aimed to bring you a healthy, safety, and comfortable wearing journey. And for the past 8 years, because MiaCare has launched the brand in 2012, and we are based in Taiwan, and we also have marketed in China, and Hong Kong, Malaysia, and Singapore, also in India. And we are the #1 sci-high products in Taiwan. Also, we sold 100 million pieces in Tmall in China. If you're interested in MiaCare, please contact us soon. Thank you.
And thank you very much to Pandora for your explicit sharing. Next up, and for the final presentation today, we have Technology Co Ltd to talk about their first in the world eye massager with water circulation technology. Please see their video first.
Hi, I'm Eric, the co-founder of Trust. We are dedicated in providing innovative beauty and wellness products to the world. And the reason why we came up with this company is because my father-in-law, who suffered from eye fatigue and eye strain. That's why we came up with a solution for him. Okay, let's go. Let me show you our world's first auto-propelled eye massages. This model is called Real. There are two control buttons on the panel. It allows users to choose between normal and heat to one's preference. Here inside is our patented water circulation system, integrated with silicone eye mask, which is medical graded and ergonomically designed. As you see, it's portable. As long as it's connected to a power bank, It refreshes you even when you are on the go. The head strap is made of neoprene, a super fabric with strong elasticity to hold real on your face with comfort and ease. This is our flagship model called Vision. It offers cool and warm compress along with 2 vibration settings to suit different needs. With our patent water circulation system, we are able to achieve cool and warm in one unit. And this is eye mask is made of silicone, which is ergonomically designed, can fit different face shape. Vision delivers unmatched gentle wave massage and maintains nice moisture around your eyes. The company was established 5 years ago, and the reason why we came up with this idea is because my father-in-law, he suffered very severe eye fatigue and eye strain at that time, and he couldn't find any right products on the market. That's why we came out this patent with cool and warm compress in one unit to satisfy different needs. So we think the successful product design is based on the connection between people. It's not just about design or how beautiful it looks or how useful it has or how many functions it provides. It's because of the connection we build to like a bridge between people and people. We are trying to build the connection between all eye and all eyes. Thank you.
And now please welcome Mr. Eric Chu, co-founder of Trusty Technology.
Thank you, Angela. Hi everyone, I'm Eric, the co-founder of Trusty. The company was established in 2014, and we are dedicated to providing health and wellness products to the world. Trusty is our company name, and actually our brand name is Aurai, which is A-U-R-A-I. It's a name from the god of breeze in Greek myth, meaning that we hope our user to enjoy our product as simple, as comfortable, as gentle breeze. Here we have 7 advantages, and I would like to address the biggest strength that we have is original design and patents. We came out with this idea back to 5 years ago, but we spent around like 3 years to achieve function to make it's real on product. So Vision is actually sold on the market in 2018. In our company, we are able to achieve from research and development to the end customer service. So which means that we are able to cover design, manufacturing, quality, service, even marketing. Right now, we have launched 2 different models. Today, I would like to bring you the Vision, which is the world's first one, water-propelled eye massager, and another one is Real, which is also water-propelled eye massager, just focuses on warm. Okay, this is Real. Today, I happen to bring one unit in here. So as you can see, there are a few parts to constitute of this unit. This is silicone water bag. This is a medical grade material, so it's non-allergenic. It's suitable for different conditions of skins. And this is our control panel. And you can see there are 4 buttons on the panel. We use ICOM to address the design, which is intuitive design, to make a user easy to use without reading manuals. And the temperature we control in this Vision unit, for warm, we are able to control in 42 degrees Celsius, which is 108 degrees Fahrenheit. For cool compress, we are able to achieve 18 degrees Celsius, which is 64 degrees Fahrenheit. And just like I addressed earlier, because the ergonomic design of silicone water bag, so we are able to use just one silicone water bag to fit different face shape in the world. And what's the warm compress is great for? You can use it while you feel eye fatigue, or you happen to have sleep disorder, sore eyes, eye strain, or dry discomfort. And the cool compress is beneficial for like red eyes, itchy eyes, even allergy in certain seasons. And it's easy to use the products. There are only four buttons on the control panels: power, cool compress, vibration, and warm compress. And this unit is portable. It's weighted around like 645 grams, and it can be stored in our carry pouch. And this is a spec sheet. In early this year, we ever conducted a consumer survey. The sample size is around 250. As you can see here, the chart, there are over 80% consumers. They have a very satisfaction of our product. In this page, over 90% respondents, they are willing to recommend Ori as eye massagers for their first choice. This is a comparison table between our non-brand competitors. As you see here, we are the world first one to use the water propel system, and we were able to achieve cool and warm compress in one unit. I think that's one of the reasons why I'm here being selected as a Taiwan One of the Excellence, because our strength is the patent water circulation system. Okay, we have a award and good design, and also Taiwan Excellence as well. And these are a few coverages from the international media. Me particularly like one of the quote from the Digital Trends. She said, "When I finally took Ori off, I opened my eyes and felt a world of difference." And that's the exact feel all the users after using Ori. They just feel the world difference. And this is a coverage from Engageit. And this is the reporter from Digital Trends. This is Reuters. Okay, these are a few coverages. And the project, the Ori vision, is ever launched at the Kickstarter, which is a crowdfunding platform in US. The launch time is around 2016. We actually achieved the goal in less than 5 hours, and the total raised is over 700% funded. And these are the snapshots from the shows we ever attended. And these are photos taken from our real shop. And these are all the partners around the world. Okay, thank you for your listening.
And thank you very much to Eric for your introduction. That was the introduction from Entrust Technology. Ladies and gentlemen, so far we have heard the presentations from 4 companies who are the winners of Taiwan Excellence Awards. Moving on to the Q&A session, due to our time constraint, our staff have selected a few questions for the company. Please allow me to read out these questions first, and then we will invite the speakers to answer them. So the first question is for Crystalvue, and the question is, although NFC 600 emphasizes its lightweight feature, it is still much heavier and bigger than the handheld ones. As a portable device comparing with handheld ones, what is the advantage of NFC 600? Dr. Wayne?
Yes, our NFC 600 is still fully automated, auto-tracking, auto-focusing. The retina image can be captured just by single touch. More importantly, the optical head can be detached from the main body. Then the 2 units can be loaded into a case to be carried around the world. Very easy, very convenient to use. Thank you.
Thank you very much to the answer. from Dr. Wayne. And the second question is for Medimaging. The question goes, do you have any example of how fundus camera works in telemedicine? Johnson?
Oh, yes. We have a great experience in the south of Taiwan. And the thing is, because our product is the small size and handheld, lightweight, and of course, it's cost efficient. So for the clinic, they are affordable to purchase our products. And with the telemedicine solutions in the B side, then techniques can learn how to use our device, our fundus camera. And our fundus camera has with auto capture and auto focus features. So that make the technician to very easy to take the fundus images. And once we have the images, we can send out the data or send out the photo to the central hospital. So that's the way the telemedicine ophthalmologist diagnosis works.
Thank you very much, Johnson, for your answer. The third question is for BenQ Materials. And the question is, can you share what makes Mia Care a unique contact lens brand among other established brands and OEM vendors? Pandora?
Yes. Just like I mentioned before, UltraSeal is our core technology and our foundations. Through these core technologies bring us three benefits, like advanced eye care, ultra comfort, and superior safeties. The solvent-free formulas also bring us the world first sci-high products on color contact lenses. Also the world number one oxygen transmissibility products on clear contact lenses. This makes us unique from other competitors. Thank you.
Thank you very much to Pandora for your answer. And the next question is for Entrust Technology. The question is, why not using traditional mediums such as gel or fiber to deliver the temperature? Eric?
Thank you, Angela. That's a very nice question. We spent around like 2 years to find out the suitable material to cover on eyes. Then we found out the silicone is the best one. There are a few reasons we chose it. The firstly is eco-friendly. It can be recycled and it doesn't contain any harmful chemicals. Secondly, it's skin safe. We use the medical grade silicone, which is non-allergenic for different conditions of skins. Thirdly, it can be fit for different face shape because we use the 30 degrees hardness of show 00, which can be catered for different needs. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Eric, for your answer. So we have a follow-up question for Medimaging. So Johnson, you mentioned telemedicine in your presentation. This follow-up question goes, is telemedicine the trend now? Can you share with us?
Yes, I believe it is the time for the telemedicine, but it relates to the regulation for different countries. For example, in United States, they are very open for the telemedicine, and the regulation is already released for so many years. So the telemedicine is not only used in health, public health care. It's also using in the pharmacy shop for the business models, and for some of private doctors, they use telemedicine. They can send out the techniques to the patient's house to get those medical imaging or medical vital sign data, then come back to the clinic. The doctors can go through those imaging or the data to have a diagnosis or giving out the scripture. So I believe, for example, in Taiwan, where the government in Taiwan is more and more open for the telemedicine. So we can see there are there are a lot of projects come out from the rural area side. And I believe the city, there is a rural area in the city, in a big city. So we can see not only the countryside need this solution, in some place in the hospital, they also need these solutions. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Johnson, for your sharing. And ladies and gentlemen, this concludes the online product launch today. Thank you so much for joining in. We hope that through today's presentations, you would have a better understanding on the ophthalmic medical products and eye care industry here in Taiwan. In the next few weeks, we will have more product launches in different areas coming up, including assisting device for the elderly and dentistry. Please stay tuned and join in again. Also, please help us fill out a questionnaire by scanning the QR code on the screen. We would like to hear your suggestions and feedbacks for future events. In the meantime, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you again for watching, and we will see you soon.